Time to see what the fuck ragdoll is so popular. So far, all I see is grass, which is much needed.
What the actual fuck is this bitch doing?
Okay, get it, Ig. Embesty, what the hell?
WHAT the hell? I want to fly. Damn, I'm sexy. Oh god, no.
This bitch.
So it's the next day and I want to fight some kids again, you. Here's my hand kinda fun NGL. Now onto this clip. Hey, guess WHO shown UP. Guess I'm being flirted with. Play coolig. Oh fuck, I cannot spell. Yeah, like that's gonna fix it, dumbass. Oh, this bitch. Why is this bitch so short? Damn, I'm too tough for this game. Okay, so this bitch takes about 1 minute to type. That's it. What the fuck happened? Guess I died. Okay, why the fuck does it take so long to reload me? Finally. Wolf is this? So ragdoll is bad. I rate 0 tenths.